Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Rooms for You. Let's look at latest CorvusOS 16.5 official build running on Xiaomi POCO F1. We will be looking at basic usability, benchmark, performance and gaming test on this build. Keep in mind that this is out of the box review. Before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. To begin with, let's quickly get into about font session. As you see, the ROM is official CorvusOS 16.5 and it is based upon Android 11. The security patch is from 5th June 2021. The kernel coupled with is Sentinel G60. SE Linux is by default set as enforcing. Under battery settings, the ROM does include thermal switching and you can select your appropriate thermals from here. There is also smart charging feature present. Another important change with this ROM is Corvus settings. This option includes Raven's layer, which is the same as previous build. Icons here are more good looking and finished manner, and the theming is also eye-catching. There is no mind-blowing numbers of customization here, but there are customization which are necessary. The another option is Raven's Desk, which will keep you updated for newer builds with downloading option. Keep in mind that this is not an OTA update. The QS panel includes many tiles which are useful and not useful. You can add them by selecting on tiles. Also, there is option for FPS and screen recorder, which works pretty good. Again, the theming of QS panel is eye-catching for sure. It does has unique style. The screen recorder here is capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. FPS does its job. I did enabled app lock for dialer and it works pretty well. There is no presence of call recorder. You may need to rely on third-party one. Out of the box, the Antutu scores 3,57,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 504 and multi-core 2043, which are decent scores. As like previous build, out of the box, the ROM does not pass us safety net checks and Google Play protection is not there. Keep in mind that these benchmark scores are after enabling gaming thermals. Now let's check offline charging. Yes, the ROM does support it, but only includes the percentage of charging. To understand more about this ROM's performance, let's do a CPU throttling test. It is 30 minutes test and gaming thermal is enabled. As you see, the ROM does got more than 80% of performance, but if you see closely to GIPS values, they are always under 2 lakh, which means the ROM does downclock the performance of Snapdragon 845. Now that the CPU test is finished, let's do a gaming test. FPS and screen recorder is enabled. Gaming is going on and I already know the result. Let's summarize the video. The gaming experience on this ROM was average and there was frame drop till 25 FPS at times. But there is no touch lags noticed. The ROM does not pass a safety net or device is not Google Play Protect certified. Make this ROM not recommendable for daily usage. There is chances that some banking applications may work, but some can fail. Another important point is the theming of this ROM is great and look unique. Overall, if you are a gamer, out of the box, this ROM is not for you. As a daily driver, if you don't use banking applications, yes, you can consider. There is not much of bugs and everything is smooth and faster. So that's it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Nothing more, nothing less. Till next time, be safe and take care. Also, don't forget to keep an eye on FPS while watching the gameplay.